Hi, I'm Joyl Clance, manager of BizEventz, a division of the Business Journal News Network. Have you heard of Excellence in Healthcare Awards? They're happening October 25th at the Oncenter. And here to help me talk a little bit more about this exciting event is Canal of Bankers Healthcare Group, our presenting sponsor. Hey, Al.
Hi, Joyl. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Doing great.
Good. Thanks for stopping by to help us bring some exposure to this exciting event. You, for the second year, Bankers Healthcare Group has been our presenting sponsor. You continue to support. So first, I want to acknowledge and thank you for that. And I think it's important for people to know a little bit more about who you are. So why don't you start by telling us what your role is at Bankers Healthcare Group?
Sure, I'd be glad to. I'm the Chief Relations Officer for Bankers Healthcare Group, and I've got a great job because I get to travel around the country and talk to practitioners, whether it be veterinarians, physicians, dentists, and learn about their day-to-day activities as practitioners. And with that information, we can take that back to the home headquarters, if you will, and really carve out the best possible programs that we can deliver for them. We're a finance company, as you know, so it's important to get that intel, if you will, and that detail.
Yeah, so you have it looks like a fun job, and it sounds like you enjoy your job.
Love it. Yeah.
So tell a little bit more about Bankers Healthcare Group, about your company.
Sure. For the past couple of decades, Joyl, Bankers Healthcare Group has been providing financing for these healthcare providers, whether it be working capital, whether it be money to acquire a practice, to start a new practice, whatever the case may be. What we do is provide those necessary funds to help them do that. And in the end, we know that we're doing a great thing because it helps them succeed as practitioners, which is what the real reward is for us, is seeing that practice grow or seeing them get those funds they need to do the next thing to help them get to the next level.
And on this side of it, at the event, we're going to be recognizing and honoring physicians, as well as in a variety of other categories, nurses, facilities. We're looking at companies and individuals who have just made a tremendous effort. Maybe they're an innovator in healthcare, or maybe they're even a healthcare volunteer. So those are just some of the categories and individuals we'll be honoring on October 25th. And again, for the second year, you continue to help us do that. Why is it so important to you to help us recognize individuals and companies in the healthcare industry?
That's a really good question, Joyl. And for us, we've built our business working with these practitioners over the past couple of decades. So we want to recognize them, and sort of give back, because not everybody knows them as intimately as we do. And with all the different nuances taking place out there in the healthcare arena, it's a very tumultuous environment right now. And not a lot of people give them the kudos, so to speak, for doing what they do every day, for getting up every day and healing people. So we, knowing kind of the days, the ins and outs of their day, so to speak, we want to give back a little bit and really kind of help spread the word of how important they are and what they do.
Absolutely, and that is so important to BizEventz and the Business Journal News Network as well. And the event on top of it is a celebration. It's a lot of fun, right. And anyone can register right now and learn more at BizEventz.com. See a listing of these honorees that we are going to be spotlighting and recognizing, and go to BizEventz.com at BizEventz.com. And of course, you are very familiar with the event because you were there last year and you helped to hand out the awards to the honorees.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit what that was like for you.
It was a great experience for myself personally, and obviously for the company, to represent the company up there on stage. It really was a nice intimate moment because you got to see the expressions on their face, the joy that they had when they received that award. So it's good to see them in that environment. We typically see them when we're talking about their financing, when we're talking about lending them money. We don't get to see them kind of out of the office too often, and to see them there and being recognized was a real a good thing for us to see as a company who works so closely with them, and we were delighted to be part of it.
Well, good, and obviously you're going to be there again on October 25th, and it's an evening event, lots of yummy food, open bar, music, and the awards program, which is just, again, a unique event to this area and so very important to yourselves and to us. So thank you again, and any final thoughts, anything else you want to share?
I would say for those who haven't yet registered to nominate someone, please do so. These practitioners work so hard every day, providing us the great care that they do to keep us healthy. And it's a great event to be at as well, to attend it. So if you've got the time, take a moment out to do that and give back to those who keep us healthy out there in the community. And I consider it a privilege and an honor to be there again this year. So thanks, Joyl.
Excellent. Well, we look forward to it. And again, go to BizEventz.com and register. You're not going to want to miss this wonderful event on October 25th. Thanks again, Al.
You bet, Joyl.